Hey y'all, it's Nikya and I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be on this beautiful eye look right here that I did. Let's zoom in so y'all can see that. Yes, honey. You see that? Beautiful. Ooh, sorry I'm shaking y'all. Beautiful. So, that's what we're going to be doing today. But before we get into the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe. Show me some love. And yeah, let's get into it. I'm going to take a sip of my drink first. And then I'm going to zoom y'all in. So, before I zoom you guys in, we're going to go in with our BH Cosmetic Neutral Eyes palette. And I'm going to go in with this tan color right here. And I'm just going to use that as my transition color. I already did my eyebrows and, you know, set my eyes, all that good stuff. So I'm just going to go into that tan. And I'm going to go into my crease with that. And I'm using my definer brush. And I'm not going all the way up to my brow bone. I'm just going. Y'all see what I'm doing. Y'all see what I'm doing. Like so. Then next we're going to go into our Jaclyn Hill palette. Let me zoom out for you guys. I'm going to go into our Jaclyn Hill palette. And I'm going to go into the color. They have names. So what's this one? This is, no, that's not the color I went in with. Oh yes, this one right here. I think it's called Pooter. I'm not sure. But we're going to apply that color on our crease just like we did with the previous color. Like so. Next, we are going, so I'm going to zoom you guys out for a minute. So far, that's what we have. So I have this lipstick that I had got. This is really jacked up. It's really jacked up, so don't come for me, y'all. But I got this matte lipstick from, I think, the dollar store, honestly. And I'm going to use that on my eyes. Yes, there's no rules to this makeup game. So, I don't know about y'all, but I do what I want when it comes to makeup. And if it looks good, I'm doing it. So I'm using lipstick on my eyes. I'm going to take this brush. I really don't know what kind of brush this is, but this is what it look like, y'all. This is what it look like. I'm going to take that brush and I'm going to dab that in my lipstick. I don't use this lipstick on my lips anymore because I have another one. So I'm just going to put that, like, use this brush to put that on my lipstick like you've seen. And I'm going to apply that on top of the colors that I applied before. And it's gonna look crazy at first, but after that, this is what you gonna get, baby. Okay? So trust in the process. I'm gonna dip that brush back into that red. So after you're all done blending that out to your best ability, and we're still gonna blend some more, so it doesn't have to be perfect. Next, I'm gonna use this red eyeshadow that I got. This is the brand. I can't really pronounce the name. I think it might be called Fora. I got this from Wish, 70 cents, so why not try it? And it works good. So we're going to apply that on top of the red lipstick that we applied. And we're going to use our definer brush, our mermaid definer brush. I just need y'all to see these brushes. I love these brushes. They're so pretty and they're so soft. So we're going to dip this brush into that red and we're going to apply that on top of the lipstick. And blending that is just going to diffuse. Blending that is going to diffuse the harsh line as well in the process. Not as much, but it will. For that, we're going to go back into the Jaclyn Hill palette, and we're going to use this darker color right here. And it still looks like a brick color to me, but it's darker than this tan. We're going to use that on the outer crease. On the outer part of the crease. Drag it down. What we're going to do is go back into the Jaclyn Hill palette. And we're going to use this tan color right next to the previous color we used. And we're just going to use that to to diffuse out that harsh line a little bit more. Just so it has a nice blend. Next, what I'm going to do is cut my crease. I'm just going to use a little brush like this to cut my crease. And I'm using Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in the color Porcelain to cut my crease. And it doesn't have a pump, so I usually just put it on my hand like so. And then dip the brush. Sorry, I had to get my mirror because I need to focus when I do my cut crease. So now that your crease is cut, we're going to go back into our we're going to go into our BH Cosmetics Foil Eyes palette. And we're going to this, I call it like Snow White color. And we're going to apply that on top of the crease, on top of the cut crease. Then after you have all your silver applied, we're going to go into the same palette, and use this gray color right next to it and apply that right on top. And we're only going to apply the gray that much. We're going to leave a little bit. Then next, after that, we are going to go back into our Jaclyn Hill palette, and we're going to use that same brick color that we applied on the outer corner, and we're just going to touch that up. Then, I'm going to get our definer brush and blend that out. And right at the corner where your cut crease stops, just going to blend that like so, so it just all blends together. I go on the same palette and use that tan that we used to diffuse that line out, and just diffuse. Go in and diffuse it again. And next, we're going to go into our BH Cosmetics Foil Eyes palette, and we're going to use that same silver we used on our brow bone, only in the middle. like so. And a little bit right here in the front. Then we're going to go in with the silver that we applied to and apply that right on top. Then we're going to go back into our Jaclyn Hill palette. And no, actually we're not. We're going to get a nice white. So if you have a white eyeshadow, we're going to take white and put that to the rest of our brow bone. So right here and right here, and we're going to blend. Just like that. Like so. Then we're going to do our eyeliner. So now that your eyeliner is done, this is what you're going to have. And the look is almost finished, darlings. So next what we're going to do is we're going to get our Mary Kay Lash Primer. We're going to prime our lashes. Now, if you wear falsies, then this is the time to apply them. Me, I'm not really into wearing them. But if you are, this will be the time to apply them. Then we're going to follow up with the Mary Kay Mascara, Lash Love. Mascara is what it's called. The first color we applied in our crease. I don't know if y'all can see, but my eyes are already getting watery. I'm about to shed a tear. Then next what we're going to do is we're going to take the lipstick that we had, dip the same brush into the lipstick, so we're going to go in with the color we put on the outside of our crease. Then we're going to take this red pot right here, change it up with the brush, and apply a little bit of that. Not much. Then I'm going to go in with this brush right here, and I'm going to go into my BH Cosmetics Foil Eyes Palette. Go into that silver. Yes, that's silver. And apply that right there. And then I'm going to take the silver I feel like I always get more on this eye than I do this one. Then next what we're going to do, we're going to take our Mary Kay eyelash primer, prime the bottom lashes. And we're going to go in with my Telescope Explosion mascara, and this is from L'Oreal. And I love this for my bottom lashes because the wand is super small and you can get to them bad boys. And there we have it. There's a finished look. Yes, honey. Lit. Then I'm usually, you know, I would do my face makeup before I finished off the eye look. But if you guys want to see that, go to my other videos and check that out. Hope y'all here for the look, because I'm feeling it. My eyeliner looks a little different from that side, but whatever. You know, one side you got this eyeliner, and one side you got that eyeliner. It is what it is. It is what it is, baby, okay? It is what it is. But there you have it. There's the look. Finished look for y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed. Check it out, check it out. Yes. Let me zoom out. But yes, I'm all finished. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Let me know if there's anything different you guys want to see. Give me suggestions. And like I said, subscribe, like, comment, share. And I'll definitely be back with another video. Matches my shirt. So literally, now I'm getting ready to go to bed with this makeup. Looking flawless. It's like I'm about to wash it off. But not before I do a little Snapchat karaoke. Enjoy your night.